We made so much progress on the design of this cabin in the woods, so we wanted to show you how it's coming along. Our friends Matei and Linka spent countless hours putting everything together and bringing our shared vision to life. Nikolai and I came by to take photos of the new decor for their Airbnb listing. Here's a quick tour.
Taste these strawberries. Since the sadness is spoken, I've been praying for a vision and pleading for silence. They've thrown it to the ocean and turned into their shadows. It's a swarm like commotion, and it's clear to me that there's trouble in the water. Bleakness in the waves, a sad heart inside this ribcage. It whispers both their names.
There's work underway in the basement where there will be a bathroom, bedroom, game room, and laundry. But you can book your stay now.
Come close, you will find there's more.
As much as I love the magic of winter, I find myself dreaming of the warmth of summer more and more often.
And hear my voice, broken smiles that I leave.
We hope you're staying warm wherever you are. See you next time.
I will break my mold to give you something